Yum.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have Korean barbecue. So as you can see, today's setup is a little bit different. We're not in our YouTube room, we're actually in our dining room because we have too much food, too much stuff going on around here, and it's gonna stink up our YouTube room. So we decided to bring our mukbang downstairs to a different location. Yeah. Also, KBBQ, you cannot do it without all of these side dishes, which we will get to introducing. So we have our portable pan over here. Every Korean owns one of these. We also have some lettuce going over here, some meat, and we have some traditional side dishes going on around here. We have some mushrooms. We also have this green onion salad. It's kind of like a spicy, salty salad. All of the produce here is another palate cleanser while we eat the meat. Yep. And we also have some fresh garlic and jalapenos. And we have some dip on the side. It's soybean paste mixed with red pepper paste. Is it? I'm not sure. It's called samjang. It's so good. It's an essential with Korean barbecue. Like, you have to. Another dipping sauce that you can have for you is some salt and pepper and sesame oil drizzled on top. And you just dip your meat in here. So good. Also, we have some seasoned squid. They're really good. It's another side dish. Really good with just rice too. Good flavor. And then we have some traditional steamed Korean egg. It's kind of hot, so. Cheers. Koreans usually, well, not all Koreans, but for us, we usually go for the lighter meat and then we go for the heavier meat towards the end. Let us start with some short rib. We're gonna do this KBBQ as a beef edition. Comment and like and let us know if you want a pork edition. We got you. So this one is gokgalbisal. It's called Wagyu beef short rib. Boneless short rib? Blah. Such a tongue twister. Boneless short rib. Okay, there you go. Boneless short ribs? Yeah. That is boneless short ribs. Y'all ain't ready for this. Ready for the sizzle? Oh my lord. Yo. Oh my god. Show them closer. Oh my gosh, look at those gosh. I'm gonna prep for this meat. Look at that. Yum. So this was homemade. That was homemade, the egg. I mean, it's better to eat at home because you have control of what you put in your food. It's ready. Ooh. Oh, it's so good. Oh my gosh. Which one are you gonna dip it in for the first bite? Gonna put it in the sesame oil and sesame oil and salt. Just gonna dip that in there. You have to dig it kind of deep because the salt goes in the bottom. Yeah, it's on the way bottom, so take it to our plate. I mean, I'm gonna just leave some mushrooms. Oh yeah, cooking on the side. Yeah. Cooked mushrooms with this meat is just so amazing. They complement each other. Best. The texture, the taste, everything. Scrumptious. So I'm just gonna wrap around. Wow. Yes. Oh, did you already get your bite? So I like to get raw garlic and then a jalapeno, and then I'll dip it in this soybean. Just get a big chunk of that there. Like so. Cheers. Cheers. This is really good. Oh my god.
Good job, onion. That was good. It tastes good.
Okay.
I'm trying to take that meat. This time, and sauce.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
It melts in your mouth.
Ultimate bite. So good.
Oh, where's my phone here?
That's really good.
You just put some more?
Yeah, sorry.
I cannot this can't stop this momentum. It's really important that you keep it going, you know? Flip it, change it, rearrange it, flip it, change it. Guys, look at that steam. Can you see that? I hope you can. Once again, look on top of the salad.
I'm just gonna go in for a bite because
I already did that, so gonna get that all into one bite.
go for it. Oh, we should get the little squid on top. So that's beef, jalapeno, garlic, salad, squid, and soybean sauce.
Oh my gosh, I just want to eat this every day.
Don't forget the egg. We forgot the lettuce.
Oh yeah. We'll show you guys how we eat this one.
If any of you guys came from TikTok, what's up?
What's that?
Thank you for stopping by. We recently posted our balut video on TikTok and there was a lot of mixed comments. A lot of people were like coronavirus and stuff.
Guys, I'm not even gonna address that. Just bye.
Yeah, I mean, it's cooked. It's not raw, so...
Oh my gosh.
But it's funny because a lot of other people were coming at them going like...
Yeah, no, I realized the Filipino community and the Vietnamese community,
they're going hard. Oh,
This is your base. So put your meat. Okay? Put some salad.
Oh yeah.
Okay? If you have rice, you can add that in there too. Today we're opting out of rice.
We're focusing on the meat today.
Meat, yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, put the side dishes, whatever you want in there. Just throw them in. Korean food goes all together. Some garlic.
Korean people have really mastered the art of using the most similar ingredients in everything they make, and it tastes different.
I know, it's like the same couple of ingredients, but so many different dishes you can make. You just roll that up like that into a ball. This is the bottom piece that we broke off earlier. Just gonna roll it. Twist it. And just munch on it.
Really good.
Oh, I'm gonna put a grilled garlic and a raw garlic together.
Oh, your breath is gonna be so dank.
I already told my boyfriend. It's cool.
So this meat was about $30. It's like 28 something for really good quality meat too. And then the second meat that we're gonna eat is was about like $15. Not bad, honestly.
That's $45 for the two of us with high quality, very soft, tender, juicy meat.
Yeah, because you can't, sometimes you'll go to Korean barbecue and they won't really have that good quality meat, even though it's all you can eat. So you're eating all this meat and it doesn't even taste that good.
Yeah.
It's kind of a waste of money if you ask me.
Yeah, I pay usually $40 or like more per person to eat this kind of quality meat. Right now we're paying that together. Yeah. So, try KBBQ at home.
I think it's ready.
Whoa! Beautiful, beautiful. Seared so ever so.
So what? Finish your sentence.
I'm sorry y'all if this reaction seems really exaggerated, but we're just really in love with KBBQ.
We react like this even when we
off camera, we're like, so good.
All we hear is like, oh my gosh.
Wow, this meat, yeah. Stick the lettuce on your mouth. Go to it. You put wherever you want. We're gonna go ahead and dig into our prime rib steak.
Are you ready?
Oh yeah. How long do we have to wait for this one?
Like 3 minutes.
Alright.
Little break.
3 minutes. TikTok time! Oh, wow. Can you flip this up so they could see that other side right now? Just, that was seared so good. Like, what?
Oh, it's so heavy. I feel like it's
Okay, okay.
Oh! I can totally fart and no one will ever hear it.
Do it soon.
I do.
Okay. Those are good bites, right?
Yeah.
When I cook a lot more...
Luna!
Oh my.
So my cat keeps escaping my room. I don't like him walking around the house because he chews on wires. Luna!
And
show you
I'm
guys.
allergic. She
Luna.
leaves out the most important part of why he's not out here.
Say hello.
Don't get any fur on our food.
Okay. Bye, Luna. I like dipping this one in the samjang.
Same.
Oh my gosh, look at that. The steam though.
It's good.
Really good.
I'm waiting to see your reaction.
That literally melted in my mouth. I'm really surprised. This was the $15 meat.
Yeah, no, this
Really
is a cheaper
good.
one, but it's really good. Wow, it really melts in your mouth.
It's a really good choice.
You wanna try?
Yeah, I kind of want to try.
Okay, okay. It's actually really good.
What is it?
It's really good.
It's really good. Just eat it.
Can I try it?
Yeah, can I make it for you how I ate it?
Okay, it's good.
Okay,
The wood spoon.
come here.
He closed his eyes. He was like,
It's good, huh? You want more? Here, let me give you some more.
네.
It's good, huh?
Really juicy.
You want some of this thing?
Yeah. Does it?
That's already a plate. Like
yeah, that's a plate.
I just went to a party and brought you some to-go
Does it?
plate. Okay.
Thanks, baby.
Enjoy.
Thank you, thank you.
Provecho.
Thank you, guys.
Buon provecho. Well, it's one left. And this is the last bite, so we gotta make it really count. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. That's fine. we try. Cheers. Alright guys, so we are done with our meal. That was so delicious. We really recommend for you guys to try it.
Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and turn on your post notifications. Ding! So you know every time that we post.
Make sure you guys go and check out, follow our new TikTok accounts.
Thank you so much for supporting us and liking our content. We finally reached 1K!
1K! Woo!
It was one of our milestones and we reached it, and so now our goal is getting higher and higher. So we just want to thank you guys.
Yeah, it's only possible through your guys' help and your guys' support. So thank you so much.
Make sure to stay inside and be safe. I hope you guys have a wonderful week and we will see you on our next video.
See you guys next week. Bye.
Missing someone.